Going on, guys? I got one. Look at this thing with its spotlight right on me. Right in the parking lot, guys. Look at this. Look at it tracking me right in the open. Look at this, guys. Look what I'm showing you guys. I'm not running from it, am I? No, I'm not. Look at this thing. Look at the tyranny I'm showing you guys. We have commercial, U.S. military, disguised aircraft tracking American citizens. Okay? In the public, in front of everyone for all to see. Right in the parking lot, guys. Please share these videos, guys, and help raise awareness to stop the New World Order. What's going on, guys? See this sign right here? Dunkin' Donuts, right? This means nothing to me. It's this. The UFO hovering here next to the sign. Look at this scout ship, guys. Look at that thing. Unbelievable. Please check out my other 50 videos. Look at this thing hovering right there. It's going to go behind the sign, right? Look at this. Right behind the sign. All right, let's pull up a little bit. This is Halloween too, guys. I'm kind of hungry now that I've seen that sign, but look at this. All right, look at this friggin' thing. Look at it hover right there, guys. Look at that thing. That's a scout ship, guys. All right, let me back this up. See it right there? Let me roll this window down. There you go. I'm thinking I'm gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts, got a coffee now. God help me. What's going on, guys? This is my house over here in Clifton Park, and I'm not exaggerating. I have at least every night 20 to 30 to 50 UFOs hovering in front of my house in the sky. They look like stars, but they're not. I'm going to show you one right here. See that? It just turned on a spotlight on me. Wow. Look at that, guys. Holy shit. All right. Look at that. Did you see that light come on? Holy shit. You can see the one. Let me back up on this. I'm sorry. There's one off in the corner right there too. But look at that, guys. It's coming closer. Look at this shit. This is military industrial complex. This is actually, see the one on the right? That one on the right is also another UFO. But this one here, this is a scout plane. If you look at my videos, I got tons of these. Look at that thing with its spotlight right on me. Right at my house, guys. Look at that. Unbelievable, man. I'm being tracked, guys. Let's see what we got here over on the next to him here. Okay, look at that thing. All right. Let me back this up. Look at this thing just hover right there. Let me see if I can give you a perspective of where we're at here. These are my neighbor's house over here. Okay, this is why I can no longer sleep home, guys. I got drones and everything else blinking above me. It's not safe. It's going to be a short video. Look at that with the light on me right there. It's actually getting closer to me. Holy shit. Come on, camera. It's making my camera do all kinds of weird things right now, so. But look at this thing. Holy shit, man. I mean, it wants to take me right here at my house in front of everyone. I mean, it's only like 7 o'clock, 7:30. All right, look, it's gaining altitude. But look at it hover right there, all right? Look at this thing. God help us. Peace. What's going on, guys? I got one right here. Holy shit. Ton of activity. Look at that thing, man. Look how low it is. Just above that light. Look at that, guys. Fuck, man. They're tracking the shit out of me. I came over to this school for the first time just to see what would happen. You know, you hear about all these abductions of people in the park. Well, this school is dead right now, you know? And they're everywhere. I see drones everywhere. I'm underneath the tree right here. Don't know how safe I'll be here, but... Oh shit, it's coming for me. Shit. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that right there, look! You got a fucking UFO right there, look! Holy shit. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Holy shit, look at that. Look at that, holy fucking shit. Oh my God. You see what I'm fucking showing you guys? That's a fucking scout ship. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, man. Look at that thing. Oh my God. My fucking heart is racing. Holy shit, guys. Look at it right over the school. Let me back this up. Look at it right over the school, guys. Look at this fucking tyranny in the fucking sky I'm showing you guys. The fucking New World Order is here in America now. Tracking American citizens. Look at what the fuck I'm showing you guys.
Yeah, next time stay the fuck out of the road.
You got a UFO here, retard. Fuck, you believe that, retard? Holy shit, these fucking guys. These guys are fucking idiots. He's too worried about fucking road rage when he's got a fucking scout ship hovering above him. Wake the fuck up! Welcome to the New World Order. What's going on, guys? I got one tracking me here. Look at this thing. With its spotlight right on me. I'm over here at a park in Colony. And take a look at this thing. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark here, but it's hovering right there. Anti-gravity, guys. Got little drones and everything else flying around, but look at that thing. It's got like a weird blue light to it. Very unusual. Look at that thing. I don't ever remember seeing one that looks like this. And I've seen a lot of these. Let me back this up. But yeah, look at that thing hover right there, guys. Right in the horizon. Unbelievable. If you can see see that other thing blinking? It's a little drone over there on the left. If you can see it. See it? That's little drones that it ejects out. I have no clue what they do, but that's what that is. Let me see if we can get another shot of this thing. Look at that, guys. I've never seen one look like this. Not like this one. This is very unusual. Alright, there you go. Peace. Welcome to the New World Order. Alright, guys, I got a military scout ship right in the trees right here. Holy shit. Right in the trees. See it? Huh? I'm being tracked, guys. Look at this right in the trees. Look at this thing. Look at it with its spotlight on me. Look at it just hover right there in the trees, guys. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Look at this thing, guys. Holy shit. Look at this thing, guys. That's a scout ship, guys. You're never going to get a better shot of it than this. Look at that. My God. Military industrial complex, guys. These are the guys that will abduct you in the middle of the night if you're on the blacklist. Welcome to the world of the New World Order. Look at this thing. Oh my God, this is the best video I've ever got. Look at it with the spotlight still on me. Look at it. Holy crap. Like, this looks like a regular plane, but it isn't, guys. This thing hovers. It's been tracking me for 4 or 5 months. Look at this thing in the trees, guys. In the trees over there. All right, I'm not done with this yet. Hang on, guys. Hang on to everything. We're gonna see if we can get this thing a little bit more. Yeah, she's gone. Peace! It looks like a helicopter. It's not. Look at that. Look at that. Holy crap, look at that picture, guys. Wow. I never captured one. Oh, now it's a plane. Okay, now it's a plane. Oh, look how close it's coming. Let me back this thing up. Ooh, look at that. We're getting a nice shot of it. There you go, military industrial complex. These are what the planes look like that abduct you. Look at that. Oh, look at that spotlight on the front. Look at that. Hey guys. Where is it? Right over here. There she is. Look at that with the spotlight on the bottom. You ever see the plane with the spotlight on the bottom like that, guys? Look at that spotlight on the bottom. Holy crap. Holy shit. Welcome to the Matrix, people.